Welcome back. Our next guest is a Jamaican movement artist whose work has been turning heads online and on stage. Tanila Francis merges dance, fashion, and visual storytelling in a way that is truly unlike anything else. She joins us now to tell us a little bit more about this movement. Good morning, lady.
Oh my gosh, good morning, Delia. Oh my God.
Welcome.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Where did this journey start, Tanila?
From the beginning, actually. You know, ever since I was younger, ever since I was a baby, I've been dancing, I've been creating, I've been putting things together ever since I was like at the age of 6.
Yeah. You know, what I love about creative work, and even though there was a time when people would say, oh, you know, just pick something and stay there.
Yeah.
So, Tanila, you're great at fashion. Why do you want to do visual storytelling? Tanila, you're great at that. Why do you want to? But now you get to do all things.
Yeah.
Isn't that beautiful?
It is so beautiful. Like, I love the fact that I'm allowed and I feel allowed to do whatever I want to do with different pieces and different colors and textures. All of them are under the one umbrella for me.
All right, so let's talk about how you successfully merge it, because I feel like one of the challenges sometimes for me is how do I make sure everybody gets their pound of flesh? So when I'm doing it, I want to make sure the dancing, you know, when people see this, okay, she's respecting the art and the fashion and so on. How do you give everything that kind of attention?
Genuinely, it's really my community, honestly. I wouldn't do any of this wouldn't have happened without my community. Like my hair, Angel Alexia did my hair.
Wow.
Aura did my makeup. My stylist is my best friend Javion. Yeah, my video people are outside right now, Abriana. Yeah, it takes a team.
Yeah. Where do you want to see this go, Tanila?
As far as it can go, anywhere. The sky's the limit. There's no ceiling.
Yeah. It's very diverse because we're seeing images of it. There you are in a supermarket with a pineapple, but then here you are on stage performing and whatever. So how do you decide, you know, this is where I'm going to take my art, or this is where I'm going to showcase what I want to do?
I feel like the universe really just calls me to do whatever it is that we're doing. Because all the music videos that I'm a part of, they just call me up. They're like, hey, we need you. Okay, I guess we're doing this today. The universe asks it of me, and I just produce.
And you deliver, and you deliver. You're a graduate of Enda Manley.
Yes, I am.
How did that contribute to how you deliver your art?
Yeah, you know, I feel like when I was in college, that was the first time I've ever focused so much on the details of creating. You know, before the inspiration just comes to you, you know, and now in college, you focus on the details, highlighting what's important in whatever you're making. Yeah. How do you want, because I feel like when people create art, it's coming out of you, but it also understands that there's an audience. Yeah.
So how do you want people to receive your art? What kind of impact are you hoping to make on the lives who absorb what it is that you're putting out in the universe?
I want people to feel seen, you know? I want people to feel like they can do whatever they feel is genuinely themselves. I want people to feel like their best self. Yeah.
All right. There are a lot of creatives, and I meet them every day, who say, you know, this is what I want to do, but I'm not sure. Should I keep it safe and just, you know, follow along the path that everybody else does? You've said, this is me, and I watched something yesterday where somebody said, I wish everybody would just decide it's okay to be cringe.
Yeah.
Because once you know what people want you to do, they said, that's so cringe. What would you say to artists about being cringe?
It really goes back to the community aspect of it, because I can't even fathom doing any of this without my friends saying, no, girl, do it. I didn't even post on my own. My friend was like, you know, you're just really nice, just post videos. And so I found more people, more community. By posting, I have so much more friends, so much more artists, so much more people reaching out. So just do it. Just post.
Just do it. Community. You've said community so many times.
Yeah.
How important is community, but also the right community?
Yeah, it's my spine. It's my spine. That's the backbone of everything. Like, my mom nurturing me at such a young age to always look my best and be confident in who I am and what I bring. You know, she drilling that in me from such a young age, it helps me to help other people.
I tell people all the time, if you're around a community, honesty is important.
Yeah.
But if they're not supporting you, then why are you feeding that energy around you? You know.
Yeah.
Love it. Well, Tanita, I mean, just keep growing and thriving.
Yeah.
I know you get a lot of feedback online.
Yes, I
Fans
do.
here and overseas.
Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's so funny to me though, because when people are saying, what's it like being a superstar? And I'm like, I feel like everybody, you know, else, because it's not about being a superstar. It's just about creating and putting out the work so that other people can create and put out their work.
Excellent.
And we all can share together.
Excellent. Where do we find you online?
Lanila Nola on TikTok and GHANEIL on Instagram.
There she is, Lanila Nola. Go check her out. And there she is again. You won't be disappointed. So great meeting you.
So great meeting you. I love you. Oh my
Hey,
gosh.
Tanita Francis.